Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, or feeling like you're not in control of your finances? One of the most important steps you can take towards achieving financial stability is creating a budget. In this video, we'll walk through a step-by-step guide on how to create a budget in 2023, even if you're just starting out. The first step to creating a budget is to calculate your monthly income. This includes any money you earn from your job, investments, or other sources. Make sure to include all sources of income, so you have an accurate understanding of how much money you have each month. Next, make a list of all your monthly expenses. This includes your rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, and any other bills you have. You'll also want to factor in any recurring expenses like subscriptions or memberships. Once you have a list of all your expenses, categorize them into needs versus wants. Needs are things like housing, transportation, and food, while wants are things like entertainment or vacations. This will help you to prioritize your spending and see where you can cut back. Now that you have a clear understanding of your income and expenses, it's time to allocate your money. Start by covering your essential needs like housing and food, and then allocate the remaining funds to your wants. Remember, it's important to leave some extra money each month for unexpected expenses or emergencies. The final step to creating a budget is to track your spending. This means keeping track of all your purchases and comparing them to your budget to make sure you're staying on track. You can use a spreadsheet, budgeting app, or notebook to track your spending, whatever works best for you. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to creating a successful budget for 2023. Remember that budgeting is a process, and it may take some time to find what works best for you. Stick with it and you'll see the benefits in your bank account and overall financial well-being.